welcome back to the channel. Today's video we're off to, I think it's Felsted it's called, to repair an Audi Q7. We're doing rear door, rear quarter and rear bumper corner, kind of around the arch, if that makes sense. I've priced to do all of it, but I'm hoping we can keep it within the arch. It's got a big puffed out arch on it. You'll see when we get there, I'll show you. We'll see what we can do and what we can't do, and we'll sort of go from there. We're on the motorway, let's get through this traffic and then I'll show you the job when we go over there. See you in a mo. Here we go guys, so we've scored through there, and down there. We've scored down into the bumper as well. So you've got the bottom of the bumper, midsection, quarter, and trims. There is a little mark in the handle. I said I'll sort that out for them. I didn't know nothing about that. And we do have a couple of little marks at the front. We're not really coming up the front. I didn't allow for that. We'll try and polish that out and see what it looks like. Right, let's get set up and crack on. Right, we're all prepped and primed, but we have a bit of a situation going on. We've been having power cuts and now I don't know what to do. I'm gonna flat down this primer and then we're ready to paint, but my compressor's full and I can obviously get it painted and clear coated, but if the power goes off and I can't lamp it, I'm probably in a whole world of hurt. The temperature's not that good here at the moment, so I don't know what to do. We're going to get this primer knocked down and then we'll go from there. We had two little loads, one down here where there was a deeper scratch and one up there. We just had to put a tiny skim of dolphin glaze, so we're going to have to puff a bit of primer back over this. I was all kerfuffled when we kept having the power cuts, so I must have missed it. Right, power's back on, she's ready to go. Let's get some colour on this thing. massive run in now. Just dabbed it out with some tape and put a bit more clear on that bit. Oh, whatever can go wrong today has gone wrong. Right, let's get a second coat on that now. Lots of polishing to do on this one. I don't know if you guys see it, but I think I've saved that, it's not a problem. Obviously we've got to polish our blends. We've got a nice little bug right there. Here we are to show, running out of daylight. Camera probably makes it look a lot lighter than it is. I'm going to have to come back tomorrow and polish this up. All the mucking around with the power cut and stuff. And then there was handle to do that I didn't know. Then there's a few other little dents that I didn't know about, to sort them out. Here's what it is. Right guys, nearly forgot to film. It's the next morning now. I've burnt my top edge in, my blend. Give that a quick 2000. It was literally just a couple of little nibs there. So that was quite good, that was clean. I went over the area where I got a run and dabbed it out with 2000 and then quickly blocked it at 15. We're going to come back over to this quarter in a second when we do all of that. So that is ready to cut, so I'll cut that now and then move across to cut that once I've flattened that out a bit more, and then we can refine the whole lot and make it look good. We have power today, everything's all good. I've had to reschedule jobs. Yeah, it's a nightmare. Whatever could have went wrong yesterday went wrong. We had flies in it. We got a run over there. We had power cuts. A paint gun mucked up. I got, well, I can't even remember what else happened, but yeah, it was emotional. But we'll make it look pretty. Right, start polishing this door, and then we can flatten that down, block that out, make sure that's all good, and then get that cut as well. Let's crack on. polished up the door for them as well, because I had some scratches in that. There's still a few scratches in it. I just noticed that. I don't even know if the customer knows about that. I'll tell her that in a moment. Right, let's go get her, see what she thinks of it. Right on cue, the rain starts piddling down. I hate going back to jobs the next day. It winds me up. It's not their fault that we had a power cut. It just is one of them things. We managed to get it looking nice. What could have went wrong did go wrong on that job. It looks nice now. The lady's over the moon with it. Couldn't believe it. We had bugs, flies, we had my paint, my gun. I mean, basically I worked out what happened. Where it's been in the back of the van, the fluid needle, the screw, has been vibrating and rattling. I've pulled the trigger and it's popped out while I'm trying to apply paint. Cool, so I'm trying to control it around the wheel arch and it's just full chat. So I had to wipe that off. We had runs in the black paint. I was like, oh my god. But yeah, we sorted it and it looks pretty now. I polished up them scratches in the front door for them the best I could. It needs a proper flat and polish. It's like bush marks with some of them. A couple of them are deep, the others got out. She's got some damage on her wing. She's going to get me to sort that out after Christmas. You know when some jobs just turn out to be a nightmare? Just got all the way to Sawbridgeworth, which is miles away from that job, to start the next job. I open my side door. I don't believe it. I've now got to go all the way back past Felsted to this village, to this lady's house. Give her car keys back. So I don't think she's going anywhere about them. At least the job's done. It looks nice. Oh my god. So yeah, that is officially jobbed. And a massive thanks for watching. We'll see you very soon on the next one. Stay safe and be lucky.